So here's my Kwikset deadbolt, and it's a key entry on both sides. See, I've done tried to pry that off. Well, after a little research, I kind of found out what needed to be done. So there's two little Phillips screws right there, and what you'll do is you'll run that out with a Phillip. I've already took one of them out. Once I found out what needed to be done, I made sure I put one in so I could give a little insulation. Then after you take that out, you'll get in here with a flathead. You'll pry that bracket off. It's just a cover hiding you. And right here and right here are two screws. It's a flathead. You should be able to get it in there. So you'll take that out, and as you can see, the lock's already coming out. It's kind of like it looks like a flathead will fit. Probably a bigger flathead would work. Flathead I'm using, it's just turning on one of the sides, but it's still working. So just continue taking that out. And as I do, you can see the back side starting to come out. And there it went. And there you go. That screw is all that holds it in there.